Let me try the speakers for him. All those things can perish. But once you prepare a child, preparation doesn't fail. I want to thank God that your parents, they have prepared you. Maybe you sponsored yourself, but still that is your parent who prepared. He gave you the starting point. And Okuteekateeka, in order for you to push yourself forward. I would like to thank the pastor and also for the organization and welcoming. Thank you. Truly, he is a prepared man. If he wasn't prepared, he would have not come here. He flew. He came back at 2. He got sick at the airport, and he was also he was afraid of dying, and he said, God, I can't die now. Even if they have eaten poison, I will not die now. At night, they found when the aunt had a problem with the intestines, and they operated the arm.